All right, big news coming in ahead of Delhi elections. Could there be a big churn in the Aam Aadmi Party's Delhi unit? An educationist has been given a ticket from Sisodia seat. Aam Aadmi Party has given the ticket to Councillor Praveen Kumar from Jantapuri, and educationist Awadh Ojha has been given a ticket from Manish Sisodia's seat, Patparganj. Let me go across immediately to my colleague Ashutosh Mishra for the latest on that. Ashutosh, that's interesting that Patparganj, which has been such a stronghold for Manish Sisodia, someone else getting a ticket. Why Awadh Ojha? Tell us more about what are you hearing.
Well, in the politics, it's a lot about the calculation. And if you remember, Manish Sisodia, the Patparganj seat, has been a stronghold in 2015. But in 2020 election, the margin was as narrow as less than nearly 2,000 votes. So clearly, that has become a challenging seat for Manish Sisodia. And now that has been replaced, and Manish Sisodia will be sent to Jangpura. The Jangpura sitting MLA Praveen Deshmukh has been replaced. And I have the list of these 20. So far, the Aam Aadmi Party, out of two lists, have declared 31 candidates. And something very interesting, out of these 20 lists, all these faces are new. So either some MLA has been, their seats have been changed, or the family members, or someone from the family, or someone from the party family, have been given ticket. What I know that out of these 31 lists, this time around, the party has only focused on the grassroots workers. For example, a close worker with Gopal Rai, who's also looking after the party organization. Adil Khan, he has been given ticket. Narela, the sitting MLA, Sharat Chandra ticket has been replaced, and now party worker Dinesh Bharadwaj has been given ticket. Subsequently, educationalist and coaching center owner Awadh Ojha, who recently joined, has been given ticket from Patparganj. So that makes really, this is very significant. Dilip Pandey, there was anticipation, speculation whether Dilip Pandey will be joining BJP and why he made the very emotional post. But Timarpur ticket has also been withdrawn. Dilip Pandey will not be contesting election. Rather, the party worker has been given a ticket. A local councillor, party councillor, has replaced Dilip Pandey. So what I see the list from Timarpur...
Stay on with me. So if Manish Sisodia is not going to contest from Patparganj, he's instead going to contest from South Delhi's Jangpura assembly seats. Do you think, from your analysis and experience of tracking the Aam Aadmi Party, why possibly Jangpura here? And tell us more about other big names. What are you hearing?
Okay, so let's begin with the big names. So who all are going to contest? Rakhi Bidlan, who was an MLA from Mangolpuri and Deputy Speaker in the House. She will be contesting from Madipur. Her seat has been changed. Praveen Kumar, who was the MLA from Jangpura, will be contesting from Janakpuri. So that's why you see Jangpura. Now coming to your point, why Jangpura? Adil Ahmed Khan from Mustafabad. The Devli MLA has also been replaced. Prem Kumar Chauhan now will be contesting elections. So you ask about why Jangpura. Now you see there was extremely narrow margin at Patparganj seat in 2020 assembly. And Jangpura Aam Aadmi Party believed to be a safer seat. Looking at the demography, you have the Sikh voters, you have the number of the Muslim voters, and largely if you see the face of Arvind Kejriwal, because on all these seats, it is Arvind Kejriwal who's contesting from that seat. So clearly looking at all the calculations that Aam Aadmi Party made, if they see the Patparganj could not be a suitable seat for Manish Sisodia, he has been sent to Jangpura, and subsequently several other MLAs have been replaced. For example, Mangolpuri, that could not be any more safe seat for Rakhi Bidlan. She has been sent to some other seat. But moreover on that seats, we have seen people coming from different parties. For that matter, Timarpur seat, if you see from Shahadra seat, the Speaker Ram Nivas Goyal, who said that he will not be contesting election, he's retiring. Then the former BJP MLA, or the member, the person who's called ambulance man, Shanti, who joined Aam Aadmi Party, will be contesting from that seat. So they have also given a few people who recently joined Aam Aadmi Party to contest this election on our ticket. But moreover, this time they focused on the party workers. Because remember, in the previous election 2020, in the 2022, the municipal election, there were larger angle within the parties that why only give ticket to the para droppers, the parachute droppers who are coming from different parties, stay contesting elections. What about the party workers? So this time around, also we see when you are in a government for 2 consecutive terms, there is bound to be certain anti-incumbency. So here you also, try to neutralize the anti-incumbency, and that's exactly what we have seen the BJP doing several.
So perhaps yes, Aam Aadmi Party is hopeful with this churn that you're telling us that it could refresh itself and that the votes will not be hampered. Because remember, Delhi, after all, is where the Aam Aadmi Party, repeatedly coming back to the government, has a stronghold, wouldn't want to skip it this time. Thank you very much for now. That's Awadh Ojha when he joined the Aam Aadmi Party with Arvind Kejriwal, the national convener, and Manish Sisodia.